Hey guys, in this video we will review the Talkpal AI, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. If you want to get started with the Talkpal, check out the link in the description or go to the official website. Talkpal is a conversational AI platform designed to help business improve their customer service. Users often highlight its advanced natural language processing, which allow it to handle complex queries and provide relevant response. The platform is known for intuitive interface, make it easy to set up and manage it operate 24/7, ensuring customer inquiries are addressed even outside regular business hours. Many businesses appreciate the ability to customize talk, be responsive to fit their specific industry need. Now let's discuss some consideration. While job is highly effective, it may occasionally misinterpret complex and the numerous questions are free version or the free trial period may also have some limitation restricting access to certain features. Overall, Talkful AI is a well regarded for its advanced capabilities and customization option, make it a strong choice for the business looking forward to enhance customer engagement. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video and make sure to subscribe the channel, and that's it.